So we have one algebra problem here. 2 to the power x minus y minus x minus y is equals to 0, and the second one is 2 minus x plus y to the power x minus y is equals to 0. We have to solve for x and y. Let's see what is the solution step by step. From the first equation, if we number this one as equation 1 and this one is equation 2. So from the first equation we get 2 to the power x minus y is equals to, we will take this x and y to the right hand side of the equation. From the equation 2, what we get is we will take this expression x plus y to the power x minus y to the right hand side of the equation. So we will get x plus y to the power x minus y is equals to 2. Now we have x plus y is equals to 2 to the power x minus y. So in this equation we will substitute this x plus y with 2 to the power x minus y. So if we put 2 to the power x minus y here, 2 to the power x minus y is equals to 2. From the laws of indices we get 2 to the power x minus y whole square is equals to 2. How? Because if a to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So here x minus y into x minus y will give you x minus y whole square. So from here we can write that x minus y whole square is equals to 2 to the power 1. Okay. Also, if a to the power m is equals to a to the power n, we can say that m is equals to n. So from this identity, we can write x minus y whole square is equals to 1, or x minus y is equals to plus minus 1. Now we have two equations here. One is x minus y is equal to plus 1 and another is x minus y is equals to minus 1. Now we will substitute these values in the equation number 3. Here we will get, for x minus y is equals to 1, from equation number 3 we will get 2 to the power 1 is equals to x plus y, or x plus y is equals to 2. Similarly, for the value x minus y is equals to minus 1, we will get from equation 3, here we will substitute x minus y is equals to minus 1. So it will become 2 to the power minus 1 is equals to x plus y, or x plus y is equals to 1 by 2. 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So now we have two sets of equations. One is x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 2, and another one is x minus y is equal to minus 1 and x plus y is equal to half. So these two sets of equations, it is very easy to find out the value of x and y. Add these two equations, we will get x minus y plus x plus y. So this minus y and plus y will be cancelled out, and it will be 2x is equals to 1 plus 2, that is 3, or x is equals to 3 by 2. And putting this x is equals to 3 by 2 in any of these equations, we will get 3 by 2 minus y is equals to 1, or y is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1, or y is equal to half. This is one answer, and adding these two equations we will get 2x is equals to minus 1 plus half, or 2x is equal to minus half, or x is equals to minus 1 by 4. Now again putting this x is equals to minus 1 by 4 into any of these equations, say in this equation we get minus 1 by 4 minus y is equals to 1 minus 1, or y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, or y is equals to 3 by 4. So we have two sets of solutions, which is x is equals to 3 by 2 and y is equals to half. This is one set of a solution, and the another set of solution is x is equals to minus 1 by 4 and y is equals to 3 by 4. This is another set of solution.